Hello everybody. So I'm about to pack up and kind of Tetris everything into my van here and see if it all fits and how it all fits. I've kind of got it figured out, but not 100%. So I'm about to do that. In other news, I twisted my ankle real bad this morning running around in sandals, flip-flops, trying to hurry up. So I got to be in Nashville tomorrow. So pretty early tomorrow. It's a in-store performance at like 5:30. So let me show you what I did though. Got this big lump in the side of my foot there. So it's kind of slowed down my progress. I've been hobbling around on that. So I don't think it's broken or anything. I don't think I broke anything. But I think I twisted my ankle. I don't know why all the swelling's down here. All the pain, I mean not all of it, but a good amount of pain is right here too. But enough of that. These are the culprits. That and the big old stone that I tripped over. So all of this plus a couple other things in the house, but a bicycle, all this stuff has to go in here. And a lot of it is going under the bed here. So let's see if I can do it.
Coming because we're so brutal together, and it hurts. The breakdown's coming because we're so brutal.
think I've got it mostly figured out. I'm gonna give a full tour in a few days after I figure out all the operational quirks, but essentially, most things are under this bed here. My foot is actually killing me. I'm really considering going to get some medical help. Even though I would rather not. Don't have a good history with doctors, but it's pretty bad. I got a pretty good lump here. I don't really know how I could have broke it. I just tripped over a rock. It's not like I had some kind of major impact, you know. I caught my foot on the rock and fell. I don't know. And my ankle's definitely sprained. I can feel that. This is real tender over here. I don't know why that would come with a sprain, but I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out today, and I don't necessarily need to go to the doctor today. If it's worse tomorrow, maybe I'll go then.